What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Pilo and the Holobook on PC. So if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, but don't worry, we got a little workaround for that. Now what we are going to do is search up this game on Steam and then we proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and after that we search for the game Pilo and the Holobook. Select the game. After that, scroll a little bit down and you will find the free demo, but we would like to download the full game. So as you can see, this game in my country is €9.84. So what we need to do is go to the video description where it says find game here and click on that link. Then you will be redirected to this website. Now search up the same game, Pilo and the Holobook, and then go to games on the left side, sort by price lowest first, and then you will find the game. So select it. Now make sure the game can be activated in your country. And as you can see, this game is available for just €7.24 compared to a price of €9.84. And this is how you can save yourself a bit of money while downloading legit games online. Now if you purchase this game through this website, you will receive a Steam activation key to activate this game on Steam, but a little bit cheaper. And after that you are able to play this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!